Malala Yousafzai is from Pakistan. She was born in 1997. She is an activist. She wanted all girls to go to school. Some people didn't like this. They tried to stop her. She wrote a book about her life. She won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Today, she travels and speaks about education. Malala is very brave and famous all over the world.
Frida Kahlo was an artist from Mexico. She was born in 1907. When she was young, she was very sick. She could not walk easily. She started to paint pictures. She painted her feelings and her life. Her paintings are very colourful. People all over the world like her art. She showed that women can be strong and creative. She died in 1954, but people still remember her today.